A world of opportunity awaits you. Have you considered nursing abroad? Have you ever dreamt of working as a nurse in another country? The world of healthcare is becoming increasingly globalized and interconnected. This opens exciting opportunities for nurses seeking adventure, professional growth, and new cultural experiences. Did you know that over 1.5 million nurses work outside their home countries? This growing trend underscores the demand for skilled nurses worldwide. Moving abroad can be daunting. It's a big decision to make, but it can also be incredibly rewarding and fulfilling. This guide will walk you through the essential aspects of global nurse recruitment. We'll provide you with the information and inspiration you need to take the leap. The global nurse. Why seek new horizons? This question resonates with many healthcare professionals around the world. Nurses choose to work abroad for a multitude of reasons. It's not just about changing their workplace. It's about embracing a new way of life, both professionally and personally. Higher salaries are a significant draw for many. The financial benefits can be substantial, allowing nurses to save more, support their families better, or even pay off student loans faster. Countries like the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom often offer more competitive pay and benefits packages compared to some other parts of the world. These countries also provide better working conditions, which can be a huge incentive. Beyond financial incentives, many nurses are motivated by the opportunity to immerse themselves in new cultures. They get to experience life in a different part of the world, meet new people, and learn new languages. They want to experience different healthcare systems and broaden their perspectives. This exposure can be incredibly enriching, both professionally and personally, as it allows them to bring new ideas and practices back to their home countries. I always wanted to live in Australia, says Sarah, a nurse from the UK who moved to Sydney. The lifestyle, the weather, and the chance to work in a world-class healthcare system were all huge draws for me. The lifestyle, the weather, and the chance to work in a world-class healthcare system were all huge draws for me. The work-life balance in Australia is fantastic, and I get to enjoy outdoor activities all year round. Career advancement is another compelling reason for nurses to go global. Working in a different country can open up new career paths that might not be available in their home country. Working in a different country can provide exposure to new specializations, technologies, and professional development opportunities. Nurses can gain experience with advanced medical equipment, participate in specialized training sessions, and attend workshops on the latest technologies. This can significantly enhance their skills and make them more competitive in the global job market. Additionally, some nurses are driven by a sense of adventure and a desire to make a difference in underserved areas. Volunteering in rural or underdeveloped regions can be incredibly rewarding and provide a sense of fulfillment that is hard to match. The connections and friendships formed while working abroad can last a lifetime. These experiences not only enrich the nurses' lives, but also leave a lasting impact on the communities they serve. In the end, the decision to seek new horizons is deeply personal. It's about growth, both as a professional and as an individual. It's about stepping out of one's comfort zone and embracing the unknown. For many nurses, the journey is as rewarding as the destination. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the GK Health Passport channel for more videos on global healthcare opportunities and experiences. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. Navigating the labyrinth, finding the right agency for you. Embarking on a global nursing career often involves partnering with a recruitment agency. These agencies specialize in connecting nurses with healthcare facilities worldwide. Choosing the right agency is crucial for a smooth and successful transition. Start by researching reputable agencies that specialize in your desired destination country. Seek recommendations from other nurses or professional organizations. Look for agencies that are licensed, accredited, and have a proven track record of ethical recruitment practices. A reliable agency will provide comprehensive support throughout the entire process. This includes guidance on licensing requirements, visa applications, job placement, and pre-departure orientation. A good agency acts as your advocate, ensuring your rights and well-being are protected. Passport to your future, visas, and essential documents. Navigating the visa process is a critical aspect of working abroad. Each country has its specific requirements and procedures, which can be complex and time-consuming. Your recruitment agency can play a vital role in guiding you through this process. They will provide you with detailed information on the necessary documents, application forms, and timelines. Be prepared to gather various documents, including your nursing qualifications, passport, police clearance certificate, and proof of language proficiency. It's crucial to start the visa application process well in advance of your intended departure date to allow sufficient processing time. Remember that visa regulations can change, so stay updated through official government websites or by consulting with your agency. Beyond the paycheck unveiling hidden costs and budgeting tips. While the prospect of higher salaries is enticing, it's essential to factor in the potential hidden costs associated with moving abroad. These hidden costs can sometimes catch you off guard and significantly impact your overall financial well-being if not properly planned for. These costs can include visa application fees, which can vary significantly depending on your nationality and destination country. It's important to research these fees well in advance to avoid any last-minute surprises. Some countries may also require additional documentation or legal fees, adding to the overall cost. Flights and transportation, including the cost of airfare, airport transfers, and local transportation in your new city, can add up quickly. Consider the frequency of travel back home and the cost of commuting within your new city. Public transportation might be more affordable, but it's essential to understand the local transit system and its costs. Accommodation, so be sure to research the cost of renting or buying accommodation in your chosen location. Housing costs can vary widely depending on the city and neighborhood. Look into the average rent prices, utility costs, and any additional fees, such as security deposits or maintenance charges. Health insurance, as international health insurance is essential to cover any medical expenses while you're abroad. Medical costs can be exorbitant without proper insurance coverage. Investigate different health insurance plans and choose one that offers comprehensive coverage, including emergency services and routine checkups. And agency fees, as some agencies may charge fees for their services, so clarify this up front. Recruitment agencies can be incredibly helpful in finding job opportunities abroad, but it's crucial to understand their fee structure and any additional costs that may arise during the hiring process. Creating a realistic budget is crucial. A well-thought-out budget will help you manage your finances effectively and ensure that you can cover all necessary expenses without stress. Include all potential costs, from daily living expenses to occasional splurges, to get a comprehensive view of your financial situation. Factor in all potential expenses and establish an emergency fund to cover unexpected costs. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net, providing peace of mind in case of unforeseen circumstances, such as medical emergencies, job loss, or sudden travel needs. Research cost of living comparisons between your home country and your destination to get a better understanding of potential expenses. Utilize online tools and resources to compare prices of everyday items, housing, transportation, and entertainment. This will help you set realistic expectations and plan your budget accordingly. Additionally, consider the exchange rate and how it might affect your purchasing power in the new country. By taking these steps, you can ensure a smoother transition and a more financially secure experience as you embark on your new journey abroad. Proper planning and budgeting will allow you to enjoy the benefits of your new job without the stress of unexpected financial burdens. Triumphs across borders. Real nurses, real stories, real inspiration. In this chapter, we delve into the lives of nurses who have crossed borders, embraced new cultures, and made significant impacts in healthcare systems around the world. Their stories are not just about their professional journeys, but also about personal growth, resilience, and the power of human connection. Countless nurses have successfully embarked on global nursing careers, embracing new cultures and making a difference in healthcare systems worldwide. These nurses have not only adapted to new medical practices, but have also brought their unique perspectives and skills to their new workplaces, enriching the healthcare environment. Moving to Canada was the best decision I ever made, says Michael, a nurse from the Philippines. Michael's journey is a testament to the opportunities that await those willing to take the leap. He has found a new home in Canada, where he can grow both professionally and personally. The support I received from my agency and the welcoming nature of my colleagues made the transition so much easier. Michael's story highlights the importance of having a strong support system when moving to a new country. His agency provided him with the necessary resources and guidance, while his colleagues offered a warm and inclusive environment. I'm now able to provide a better life for my family back home. Michael's ability to support his family financially has been one of the most rewarding aspects of his move. He stays connected with his loved ones through regular video calls and shares his experiences with them, bridging the distance with love and technology. For Mary, a nurse from India who moved to the United Kingdom, the experience has been equally transformative. Mary's journey to the UK has opened up new avenues for her career and personal life. She has embraced the cultural diversity of the UK and has found joy in her interactions with patients and colleagues. "I've grown so much professionally and personally since moving here," she says. Mary's story is a powerful reminder of the growth that comes with stepping out of one's comfort zone. She has taken advantage of professional development opportunities and has also found time to pursue her personal interests, making her experience in the UK truly enriching. The challenges have been outweighed by the rewards of working in a diverse and inclusive healthcare system. Both Michael and Mary have faced their share of challenges, but the rewards of working in diverse and inclusive environments have made their journeys worthwhile. They have learned to navigate cultural differences and have become more empathetic and effective healthcare providers. These stories highlight the transformative power of global nursing. The experiences of Michael, Mary, and countless other nurses around the world demonstrate the profound impact that global nursing can have on individuals and communities. Their stories inspire others to consider the possibilities of international nursing careers. They demonstrate that with careful planning, determination, and the right support, nurses can achieve their dreams of working abroad. The journeys of these nurses are a testament to the fact that with the right mindset and resources, the dream of working abroad can become a reality. Their stories serve as a beacon of hope and inspiration for aspiring global nurses. Embracing the world, one nursing job at a time. The world of global nurse recruitment offers a tapestry of opportunities for nurses seeking adventure, professional growth, and cultural immersion. By understanding the motivations for moving abroad, researching reputable agencies, navigating visa requirements, and budgeting effectively, nurses can embark on this exciting journey with confidence. Remember, the decision to work abroad is significant. It requires careful consideration and planning. But for those who dare to dream big and embrace new horizons, the rewards can be immeasurable. Are you ready to explore the world of global nursing? Start your journey today by researching opportunities, connecting with agencies, and taking the first step toward an enriching and fulfilling career abroad. Your next adventure awaits.